Welcome to the Crypto Factory, your gateway to the world of cryptocurrency. Are you ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through the fascinating realm of cryptocurrency? Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious newcomer, you've come to the right place. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting adventure where we'll unravel the mysteries, explore the potentials, and navigate the twists and turns of the crypto landscape. Unlocking cryptocurrency's secrets. At the Crypto Factory, we believe that knowledge is the key to success in the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're intrigued by Bitcoin's origin story or seeking to understand the intricacies of decentralized finance, DeFi, we've got you covered. From blockchain technology to altcoins, ICOs to security tokens, we're dedicated to providing you with accurate, up-to-date information that will empower you to make informed decisions. Everything crypto, all in one place. Why visit multiple sources when you can find everything you need right here? Our comprehensive library of video tutorials, the entire spectrum of crypto. Whether you're interested in the fundamentals or the latest trends, we offer engaging content that caters to both beginners and experienced enthusiasts, riding the crypto waves with calm. Let's face it, the crypto market can be as exhilarating as it is unpredictable, but fear not. The Crypto Factory is not just about information, it's about fostering a mindset of resilience and calm. We understand that the market can be a roller coaster, with ups and downs that may test even the most seasoned investors. Our goal is to equip you with the tools and insights needed to weather the storms and make rational decisions, even in the heat of volatility. Your crypto community join a thriving community who are just as passionate about cryptocurrency as you are. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and engage in meaningful discussions. Whether you're seeking advice on wallet security or looking for insights into market trends, our community is here to support you every step of the way. So whether you're here to explore, learn, or simply stay up to date with the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, the Crypto Factory is your ultimate destination. Buckle up, stay curious, and let's dive headfirst into the exciting universe of digital assets. Remember, in the midst of the chaos, knowledge is your greatest ally, and maintaining your calm will be your superpower. Let's navigate this intricate crypto landscape together, one block at a time. Get ready, crypto enthusiasts. The journey begins now. Thank you for joining us at the Crypto Factory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for all the upcoming insights and adventures. Until then, may your trades be profitable and your crypto journey be filled with wisdom and success.